PNC Business Options Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you run a small or medium-sized business, choosing the right credit card can make a huge difference in cash flow, expense management, and rewards accumulation. The PNC Business Options Credit Card has been a popular choice for business owners for years, but in 2025, with shifting reward structures, fees, and market competition, is this card still worth it or should you leave it on the shelf? Today, we'll break down every aspect of this card, from rewards and fees to usability, eligibility, and real-world scenarios, so you can make an informed decision. Let's start with the basics. The PNC Business Options Credit Card is designed for small and medium-sized businesses, offering flexible rewards on everyday business expenses and the ability to customize cashback categories Unlike personal credit cards, it comes with features to manage employee spending, track expenses, and integrate with accounting software. Most business owners make the mistake of assuming all credit cards are similar, but business cards like this one are tailored for operational efficiency and tax management. The standout features its cashback rewards program In 2025, the card offers 2% cashback on your top eligible business spend category and 1% on all other purchases Eligible categories include gas stations, office supply stores, telecommunications, utilities, and travel. For example, if your business spends $2,000 monthly on office supplies, $1,500 on telecom, $1,000 on utilities, and $500 on miscellaneous purchases, and you select office supplies as your 2% category, you'll earn $40 for that category and $30 on the rest, a total of $70 monthly, or $840 annually. While it may not sound huge, these rewards can offset recurring expenses and improve cash flow over time. The surprising truth is that many business owners overlook the cumulative impact of strategic category selection. Next, let's discuss fees and interest rates The PNC Business Options Credit Card does not charge an annual fee, making it cost-effective for small businesses. The APR ranges from *14.99% to 20.99% depending on your creditworthiness. While it's best to pay the balance in full each month to avoid interest, the card's line of credit can be invaluable for covering payroll, unexpected expenses, or seasonal fluctuations in revenue. Eligibility requirements are straightforward but important. Applicants must have a registered business and a verifiable business address. An employer identification number (EIN) is preferred, though sole proprietors can use their social security number. PNC evaluates both personal and business credit history, so maintaining responsible credit behavior is key. Approval can be quicker for established businesses with strong financials, but new or smaller companies may face additional scrutiny. One of the biggest advantages of the PNC Business Options Credit Card is Employee Card Management You can issue additional cards to employees, set spending limits, and monitor purchases in real time. This makes managing multiple team members' expenses simpler and more secure. Integration with accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero further streamlines bookkeeping, helping reduce errors and saving time on reconciliation. Many small business owners underestimate how much time these integrations save, which can translate into real financial benefits. Rewards redemption is flexible. Cashback can be applied as a statement credit, deposited into a PNC business checking account, or transferred to a business savings account. This flexibility allows you to direct rewards where they provide the most benefit. For example, using cashback to pay your monthly utilities or office supply invoices effectively reduces operating costs. Now, let's explore transaction categories and limits While the card offers 2% cash back on one category, PNC allows you to adjust your category annually to align with your highest spending area. If your business shifts its primary expenses, updating your category can maximize rewards. Daily spending limits are generally generous, typically around $25,000, which is sufficient for most small and medium-sized business operations. Security is another strong point. The card includes fraud monitoring instant transaction alerts, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze the card via the PNC mobile app. Employee cards can be restricted for specific purchase types, minimizing the risk of misuse. In 2025, As cyber threats increase, these security measures are critical. Many business owners don't realize how these protections can prevent costly fraudulent transactions. Until it's too late, customer support for the PNC Business Options credit card is tailored to business owners. Dedicated business banking representatives can assist with dispute resolution, account management, and advice on maximizing rewards. Fast and knowledgeable support is crucial for small businesses, where even a few days of delayed payment processing can disrupt operations. A practical scenario illustrates the card's benefits. Consider a digital marketing agency that spends $3,000 monthly on software subscriptions, $2,000 on telecom services, $1,500 on travel, and $500 on miscellaneous expenses. Choosing software subscriptions as the 2% category yields $60 in cash back for that category, plus $80 for other spending, totaling $140 per month or $1,680 per year. This represents a tangible contribution toward operational costs, especially for recurring expenses that are essential to daily operations. A question many business owners ask is whether the PNC Business Options credit card is *** better than personal cashback cards ***. Personal cards may offer slightly higher rewards percentages in certain categories, but they typically lack *** expense management tools, employee controls, and accounting integration ***. Using a business card also helps separate personal and business finances, simplifying accounting and reducing audit risks. In addition, responsible use of a business card can help build your business credit profile, which is valuable for securing loans or investor funding. The card also shines in *** foreign transaction management ***, as it doesn't charge fees for international purchases. For businesses that operate overseas, pay international contractors, or travel globally, this can save 2%, 3% on every foreign transaction compared to cards that impose fees. This can add up to significant savings over time, particularly for companies with regular international expenditures. Now let's summarize the *** pros and cons *** clearly. *** pros: 2% cash back on top eligible category, 1% on other purchases, no annual fee, employee card management with spending limits, accounting software integration. For simplified bookkeeping, foreign transaction fee-free, dedicated business banking support, help separate personal and business finances, can build business credit profile with responsible use. *** cons: 2% cash back limited to one category, requiring strategic selection. Interest rates can be high if balances are carried. Rewards may be modest compared to premium business cards. Smaller or newer businesses may face stricter approval criteria. In conclusion, the *** PNC Business Options credit card in 2025 is a strong choice for small and medium-sized businesses *** seeking organized expense management, flexible rewards, and accounting integration. While premium cards may offer higher immediate cashback percentages, the practical benefits of employee management, bookkeeping integration, and fraud protection make this card a valuable